There's a post hole drill sitting beside the baler. I'm gonna sell it right now.
You're buying a post auger, decide what it is.
The what?
Post auger.
Oh, beside the baler right there, yeah.
What's that post? Dig. Somewhere in here. Oh.
Watch the mine tunnel if it's got all through the.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 3-point auger.
Watch nails too.
Now coming to the house. That's 5, 8, you have a red, you have a red, 105. 120 by 30. Yeah, 120
You had a yard sale for $50.
Uh-huh.
You still got it or not?
$125.
140.
140.
Somebody put 140.
I got it.
on that auger. Now,
Got that?
sell the baler.
Now we're gonna buy the baler.
You get it out.
I'm responsible.
You're on your own.
I cannot get it out.
On the baler and $100 bill.
20.
Huh? Wait a minute, come on.
That's the baler. How much you got?
50.
75.
Yep.
$100 bill.
Yep.
And a quarter.
Yep.
And a half.
Yep.
$2.
You guys are out.
Now $200.
Wait.
Pull that out.
I can remember when I was growing up, that was the thing.
Now.
What was the number?
You get 149 on the baler. Yeah. These two we can do it.
Yep. Go sell that hay rake. All right, how much over the boy? Tell me over the boy, tell me over the $100 bill. 100! I have 50 for the buy. How many $50 I want to get 50? 25, 45, you put them all in. 25, 25.
I'll do that myself.
How much?
I'll do that myself.
25, 30. I 25, 30, 30, 30, 30, 25, 30, put them all in. 25, 30. I 25, 30. I 30. Now 5. I 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 30. I'm over there now. I 30, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35 to buy him. You want back in?
No.
So, $30. 158. 158.
Sell that auger.
I'll go buy that auger.
Yellow?
Well, it don't matter. As long as it's got something on it.
Buy that auger. I'll tell you how much off the bill, $100 bill, $50. I had 25 for the 25 for the ball in, 25 bed, 25 in, 25 for the bid, 25 to buy them. 25, 25, 25, $20, guys. I had 20 for the 20 for the 20 for the 20 for the 10. I had $10. I had $10. I'm gonna 10. I'm gonna buy 10. I'm gonna buy 10. I'm gonna 10. I'm gonna buy 10. 10. I'm gonna buy 10. I'm gonna buy 5. I'm gonna buy 5. I'm gonna buy 5. Sold it. $5. Congratulations. 152. John Deere 4430. You're buying just the way it sets, guys. We found some extra parts for it. We put it with it. Here again, you're on your own to remove it.
Boys, be careful. That tree is still alive.
I got a chainsaw.
The tree goes with it. How's that?
Take the wood home with.
Take the wood with you. All right, boy, tell me how much you want for the boy. Tell me about the boy. Tell me about $8,000. $8,000. Well, go buy parts for them things, guys. See what they cost you. Your tractor home, brake home, spin a turbo and see what it's going to cost you. $3,000. $35. I 3,000, 35, 35, $4,000 where? I had 35, we got 4,000, 42 and a half. I have 42 and a half, 42 and a half, 42, 42, 5. I have 45, some and a half, about 47, 5, which is about $5,000. I have 551, now 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, 51, hit 5,051. I have 52, I have 51, 2. I have 51, 52, I have 52, 51, 51, 2, 52, 3, and 4. I have 54, 5, I'm 55, I'm 55, I'm 55, 54, 5, I'm 55, 54, 55, I have 54, 50, 500. I have 54, 55, 56. I have 58, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to come out wait now. 58, what do you get 9? I have 5,900. I have 58, what do you get 59? Here, $6,000. I have 62, now 3, 63, 62, 63, 4. I have 63, 4. I have 40, 4, 5. I have 65, 6. 65, 65, 66, 67, and 7,000, 71. And 7,000, 71, 71, 71, 71, I have 7,000, 71. And 71, 7,000, 71, I have 71, 7,100. Make a good project, Barney. 7,100. And I have 7,000 bucks.
Shot.
Got a Gleaner Combine as is, just like everything else. You're on your own, boys. Don't know anything about it. All I know is it's sitting here. I am all $1,000 on it. $1,000. I have it on 500. I have $500. At 300. 2 and a quarter. And 225, 225, 225, what ya? And 225, 225, 210. Here, 210. 210. I have sold 200 bucks. One who? 152. 152. Got a big old field cultivator, guys, cylinder and all, wing, no wing, straight field cultivator.
They don't need to be.
With the Harrow on the back. I know it's not carrying excessive amount of rouge, guys, but still a usable piece of equipment. All right, boys, come on, 10 round, but ball. 10 him up the ball. 10 him up to $300 on him. I'm going to take up the line. 300. Go buy shiny new stuff, guys, if you don't want to buy rust. 300. Oh, that's what I'm saying. All right, 350. 250, but yeah. 250. 250. Jeez, Pete, guys, where do you want to be? How much? 50. Oh, God. And $100 bill. 60 something. I think I'm going to get $70 $100 bill. $100, not even $100, give it a bond, not even $100. Hit 90, but you get $100, give it a bond, not even $90. $100, hit 90, but you get $100, give it a bond, $100 bill, 90, but you get 100, 110, hit 110, 20, hit 120, but you get 20, but you get 110, but you get 20, but the ball in, 110, but you get 20, and 30, hit 130, but you get 40, hit 130, but you get 40, but you get 40, but you get 30, and 40, but you get 40, but you get 30, but you get 40, hit 130, but you get 140, hit 130, but you get 140, how about it now? You get 130 now, you get 140, but hit. So, 130 bucks for number 149.
You get that?
Okay, now we got a Hog Feeder.
I can get it out of there.
We can get it out of there. No problem. Nice Ag Star Hog Feeder. And hit him over the door. Hit him over the door and get that thing. $50. And 35 bucks, 40. I had 35, 40, 40, 40, 35, 40, 35, 40, now 5. Hey, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 50. And now 5. And 55. 55, 55, 55, 55, 55, you sell the bid? Now 60. Now 60. Now 5. 65, 65, 65, 65, so 60 bucks. Bar 104. 804, guys. Right the way you see it.
John, I'm gonna be honest.
We put gas in it, we're right through the carburetor.
They got all that good. You get parts.
I mean, with motor turnover.
Oh yeah, motor turn.
Motor turns over. Motor turns over, but it's non-running today. I both come on the table, mom to bill, to be mom to bill, to be mom to $500 on them. I find them out. 3 I 350. 300 go in 25 20 about the mile. Or in the corner. Now half. 75. He's at about 4. Then put him up 40. Put him up 40 that corner.
That's me and him.
25 half. No, he's down in 450.
Yep.
And now 75 about 5. I have 5 about 475 5 and a quarter. It's 25 about half. 550. I have 5 and a quarter up about 550. Quarter up about 550 up about in. 5 and a quarter up about 75. 5 about 5 75 6. and a quarter. I had 625, even with 25, but 25, even with 6 and a quarter with ya. I had 625, 25, 6 and 25, even with 6 and a quarter, even with and a half, and 650. I had 6 and a quarter over to 650, and 6 down, 6 and a quarter, 6 and a quarter, 6 and a half, 6 and a half.
Yep.
Now 75, 675. I had 6 and a 75, even 675 for the buy and dive. Sold it, 650 bucks. 83. Number 70. I'd be lying to you if I told you I drove it out here.
Well, I did. Somebody had to sit on the seat.
I'll tell you what, the sheet metal's all good and straight. Everybody wants a project for the winter. Here you go. Oh, you mind all over 70. $1,000 on it. $1,000. $1,000 on it. $1,000. $500. Let's go, boys.
I got
I
two.
5. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do 3 for the buy. 200. 300. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do 3. I'm going to do 3 for the buy. 200. 2, 3. I'm going to do 250. I 2, 2.5. I'm going to do 250. I'm going to do 250. I'm going to do 250 for the buy. 2 and a quarter with you. 245. I'm going to do 250. 2 and a quarter. 250 for the buy. 250 for the buy. And now 75. I 250. I said about 75.
Yep.
I said about 3. I had 300, sir. I have 75 to get 3. 75 to get 3. 75 to get 3. Put them all in. 275 to get 3. Put them all in. 275 3. I'm going to take nothing. Put them in. Nothing. Put them out. Put them out. Midnight.
So many.
300. Yes or no?
I get up in the morning and my
275 to get 3. Nothing. Put them out. Put them out. Nothing. Put them out. Put them out. Hit.
what to work on first.
Sold it. $275.
158.
158. Put it on the tires, guys. We're gonna mark them.
That'll work, y'all.
No, that's not one. Here's your Silver King.
Time to get the roughs off, it'll be off.
As you can see, it's carrying patina
Silver King.
by the Silver King.
What?
Silver King.
Silver King?
Silver King. Just put old tractor.
All right, boys. $500 here. I have 5 to buy. I'm going to run 5. Yeah, one. Yeah. 200. You're up, Brian. And now 200. And now 200. That 175 2. 85 to get 2. At 200. 185 to get 2. 200. 200 for the buy. 185 to get 2. At 200. 185 to get 200. At 200 out here. 185 to get 2. Hit 1 now 10. 210. Now 20. 210 to get 20. I 210 to get 20. What to get 20? What to get 20? What to get 20? What to get 210? What to get 20? Put it all in. At 210. What to get 220? At 210. What to get 220? How much? What to get 20? What to get 20? What to get 20? Put them all in. 220. Yes or yes? And I have. So $210.
Same one. 158.
158.
I don't know nothing about them, but I read.
Buy the smaller of the 3 hopper wagons right here, boys. You buy the Gehl brothers. Gehl brothers hopper wagon. Oh, Jane, how many miles to bill? $150. Hit 150. $100 bill. Good for feed storage, boys. $50. Now 5. $55. Now 60. And now 5.
Yep.
And now 70. And now 5. And now 80. Good. Now 5. 90. 85 to get 90. What do you give 85 to get 9 for the bond? 85 to get 90. 85 to get 90. $90. 85. You're all hopper wagged out, ain't you? 85 to get 90. 85 to get 90. What do you get 9? What do you 85 to get 90 bucks over the map, $90 over the map, and I have sold it. $85. 127.
Yeah. Don't listen. Put it right here.
There's a bigger and better one.
That should come off with the rest.
You get nowhere to be on the deer bone.
Looks like a pretty good running gear, guys. But hey, these wagons were all stored up at the top of the bank barn, by the way. I'll tell you how many miles over to all. Tell me about the $300 here. I had 300. I had 385. How many 250 with you? I had 250. I had 250. I had 200. $100 and a quarter.
Yep.
Hit 125, bump it down, 75, 175, 85, now 60, 70, oh, and 80.
Yep.
Hit 180, 190, what do you get 90, hit 232, how about you 10, how about 10, 20, hit 220, what do you get 30, what do you get 30, what do you get 40, hit 240, what do you get 50, what do you get 50, what do you get 60, 260, what do you get, and now 70, 270, 80, what do you get 80, what do you get 90, what do you get 290, what do you get 300, and now 310, now 20, at 320, 30, how about 40, at 340, what do you get 50, what do you get 75, 375, 4, how about 4, 4 quarter, at 25 and a half, how about 75, 4, 75, 75, 500, how about 4, 75, what do you get 5, how about 4, 75, what do you get 5, how about 5 to buy him, 75, what do you get 500, how about 4, 75, what do you get 5, how about 4, 75, what do you get 5, I have 475, what do you get 5, even about 5, how about 5, what do you get 5, even about 5, I have $500, and I have sold it, $475, 127.
Another one, John.
Good running gear underneath effort, guys. Good usable wagon, 225 bushel. 225 bushel. Good, take him up the belly, $300. I had 2, 2 and a quarter, half, 75, you can have number 3. I had 3, 3 and a quarter with you, 3, 25, half. I have 3 and a half, 75, you can have 4. I put about 4 and a quarter, and a half. I put about 450, 75, 475, 75, I put about 5, I have 475, 85, 485, 5, and 510, I put about 510. How about 510? How about 10? How about 510? 20. Hit 520, 30. Hit 530, 40. Hit 540, 40, 40, 50. Hit 550, 60. And now 70. How about 580? At 550, 90. And now 600. And now 600, 590, go down to the bottom. Hit 590. When you get 600, put it down to the hip. So $590. 179. 179. There's your corn wagon. Old corn wagon. Oh, tell you how much off the boy. Give me more than $200 here. How much 200? I tell you the point.
I got another one just like a twin. You want to sell choice?
We could do that.
Right there. See how we just do that. They're twins.
Hey, you're gonna buy a choice between that wagon and this one.
They're twins.
We just didn't have them together.
30 pounds.
Well, I do.
We left them inside the barn until it was time to bring them out.
We're starting getting that now. I'm talking about barn and the floor.
You're buying the flatbed wagons. I'll tell you how much about the boy. Choice of 1 or 2. I'll tell you about the boy. $200 on them. I didn't ask too much. $200, 150. 150, $100 on a bill. And $100 on a bill. $50, 5. I got that. $55, 55, 60, 55, 55, 55, 75, 5. 55, 55, 55, 55, 90. We get 90, we get 90 bucks. 95. 95. Hit 95 when you get 95, when you get 95 to buy it. How about 90 when you buy it? How about 95 to buy him? $100 bill, 110. Hit 110, 20. Hit 120. And now 30. Hit 120, 25, 25, 25, you put the ball in. 125, you put the ball in. 125, you 25 to buy him. Hit 125, 25, 125, you put that 25 to buy him. 125 to buy him. And I have.
Oh, it's midnight.
So, $120.
Want them both?
177.
That there.
Next that one.
177.
I'll take them both.
Oh,
He's taking them both, Scott.
That's even better. I like it.
All right.
Put that number on that one then.
177.
You got it, Scott? Got this whole desk.
I couldn't tell you.
On this little desk, $10 on it. I tend to buy $5 some half. $5 with you. $50 a half. $50 $5 $5 some half. $10. I tend to buy 12, 50, 12, 15. I have 15 with you. 12 down there. We put about the 50 bucks about hip. I have sold it. 12.50. 12 and a half. Fire 140.
Here's what they're all waiting.
Ferguson plow, guys. 3 bottom Ferguson. I'll tell you how much over to the ball. 150. Yeah, 150. At 125, keep it about in. 25 to the $100 here. $100 bill.
Ain't pulling that.
50.
50, 75. And 100.
Yep.
And a quarter.
Yep.
The plow.
I already said that, Clint.
I got the quarter.
And a half. 175.
Yep.
And now 200. And now 200. And now 200. Yeah, 175 to get you, put a buy. 175 2, put a buy. 175 2. Yeah, 175 to get you, put a buy 2, 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 put a buy, hit. So, 175 bucks.
140.
140.
There.
New idea.
What you talking about on the floor? Been set?
Been set inside, never set out. 30-old straight spreader. It's the original. I'll tell you how much you want to be $500. I find about $3. I 3 to buy. I 3 to get that corner. Hey, 25, 25, and about 25, 25, 25, 25 a half, about 4. I have 4 to buy, a quarter. And 25, 4 quarter. I have 425 just over here. I have 425 half, a quarter. If 525, about 600, 6 a quarter, and a half. 650, 75, 675, even 700, and a quarter, 7 a quarter half. It's about 75, even around 800, now we need a quarter, and a half, 850, 850, quarter, 850, 8 a quarter, 850, 8 a quarter, 850, 8 a half, 8 quarter, 850, down.
Thanks, Steve.
And I've spent $825,
170.
or 171.
Now, sell the mower.
How far is that with your big bulb? How far is the
By
ground?
the Sickle Bar Mower.
You're what?
You're about 2 hours out.
You tell Johnny he's gonna cost you 300.
Sickle Bar Mower, Holland Baler, over the ball, 20 bucks off, get 20.
Telling me you should
I'm
God
going to get 10. I have 5, 7 half. I'm 7 5, 7 50, 10. 10 dollars, 10, 12, 15, 15 with ya. And now $15, 12 hours, 15 bucks over the time. 12 hours, 15. I'm going to 15 bucks over the time. It died. $15 it died. So 12 and a half on it. 1250 buyer number
156.
156. I'm gonna sell that head, guys. Look the way you do it. And to buy the combine, take it for the cleaner. I'll take it from the boy. 25 on. I 25, 25, you put them 10, 12, 50, you put them on. And 15, 17 and a half, you put them on, yeah. And 17 and a half, you put them 20. That's 2 on 5. And 25, 25, 25, 25, that's 2 on 30. And 30, we get 35, 35, 35, 40. And 40. I had 35, 40. I had 35, 40. I had 35, 40, 40, 35, 45, 5. I had 45, sir. I had 45, sir. I had 40, 50. I had 50 with you. 45 and some half. I had 45,
Crazy.
sold it $45. Buyer 148.
Stay right where you're at, John. Rotary Hoe.
Roary Hoe. And where's that lady? Yeah, she can have a whole bunch now.
Hey, she's gonna make a plant stand out of that hoe.
Yeah. She can make a lot of plants
Yeah,
out of this. Buy a Roary Hoe, fellas. I tell you how much you want to be boy. 50 bucks on a good 50.
25.
25, 30. I buy 35, 40. 40. That's 35, 40. That'll be 40. Now 5.
Yep.
I have 40. Now 50. I have 50. Now
Yep.
5. I'm going to $60, sir. And 5.
Yep.
I had 65, 70. I had 65, 70, 70, put it in me. I'll 5, 75, 75, 75, down to the right. He's going to get now. He's 5. He's 90. 90. Now 5. 95, 95, $100. And a 110. Give it a 110, 20. Hit 120, 30. Hit 120, bring it 30, bring it 30, 40. Hit 140, bring it 40, 50. Hit 150, bring it 60. Hit 150, bring it 60, 6 for about 150 down 5. 155, 155, how about you? 155. And I have, so 150 bucks. 115.
What was it? 1 what?
115. Horse-drawn rotary hoe.
Hey, all you need is the tongue. You need to go to work. Yeah.
All right. Go ahead, Brunt. Get out.
Horse-drawn rotary hoe. Hauled here, bobbing in the lawn. $100 bill. 100. Well, I'll tell you what now, there ain't a thing in the world wrong with that thing.
I'll tell you what I do. I do 25.
25 with a 30. Now 5, 35, 40. Now 5, down to 50. Now 5.
Yeah.
Now 60. Now 5.
Now.
65, 65, 65, 65, 65. And now 70. Now 5, 65, 80, 80, 80, now 5, 85, 85, 85, 95, 95, 95, 95. Your turn, sir. Hit 90, 95, 95, 90, 95, 95, 95, $100 bill. 110. You put 110, you put 110, you put 110, 110, you put 110, 110, 110, 110, 110,
Barn up.
so $100 bill, 115. $115. We got a straight tooth toolbar. Yep, $25 and 25 and 25 you can buy. $25 to buy them. And $10, $12.50, now 15. I have able to up and down now. You've done 17 half, even though it's done that 20. Hit up to it, how much of it 22, 52, how much of it 5, 25, 25, 30. Hit 30, but yeah, 25 to stop a half. It's about 20, it's about yeah. Hit $25 stop a half. But it's about 20, it's about and died. So $25, $149.
Huh?
Good.
Yeah.
What did you say?
John Deere Cultivator. I'll tell you how many miles to go boy. Come in. Boy, it's an old name. Ain't heard that name in a long time.
That's the link.
And tell you how much miles to go with you, $50 wire. I have you 25, 25 people, 25 people, 25 people, 25, 10 months. 12, 50, 15. I had 20. I had 20, 20, 25. 25, 30, here, 30, 30, 30, 30, 35, 35, 35, 40. Hit 40, 135, some half. It's about $35. Hit $35, some half. It's about $35, some half. So, $35. Bar number 152.
You're standing right there.
130 ain't good. 130 is one.
What are they called?
Spring shank. Spring shank. I'll tell you how many I'm going to build $25 here. 25, 25, 25 people, $10, 12, 50, 15. I have even something I have even on 20. At 20, when you get 20, I'm going to 22, 50, when you get 2, I'm going to 5, 25, 25, that's some half, 10, some half, and 30. At 30, when you get 2, I'm going to 32, 50, I'm going to 39, even when you get yeah. At 32 and a half, I'm going to 250, even 39, I'm going to so $30, 152. Got a bad Brunt grain reel.
You see on them Bed Wagons.
I'll tell you how many I'm going to $25 here, 25 people, 25, 10, 12, 50, 15. I have even 15, 20, and now 5, 25.
That's been a couple $100 between
30. That's 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, 35, midnight. So, $30, 171.
Good wagon.
Got a grain elevator that was stored up in the barn, guys, up at the top of the barn. I tell you how I give over the boy. $50 on get 50. $50. And 35, 35, 40, 5, 50. $50, 5, and 60, now 5, and now 70, and now 5, 80, what do you give 80, now 5, 80, 90, it's 90, what do you give 95, and 100 on the bill, 110, hit 120, hit 120, 30, hit 130, what do you get 30, what do you get 30, 120, what do you get 30, what do you get 40, hit 140, 50, 150, what do you get 60, and 160, 70, 160, 70, put them all in, hit 160, 170, 70, now 80, 180, 90, 190, not 2, at 210, at 210, 210, you put 210, then 20, at 220, what do you get 30, what do you get 30, what do you get 220, what do you get 30, put them all in, 230, at 230, at 220, what do you get 30, what do you get 30, what do you get 30, now 40, at 240, what do you get 50, at 250, at 240, what do you get 50, you put them out, put them out, 50, so $240, 127. 7,000 conservation planter. John Deere conservation. What's left of it? And about 100 on a bill. And $50. Is that a bid? Now 5, 60, and 70. And you can get 80, 80, you can get 90, and $100 bill, 110, you put about 110, 20, now 30, hit 130, 40, now 50, 175, 175, 175, you get about in. Hit 175, 2, how many of that quarter? And a half, how many 250, 75, 275, you put about 3, and a quarter. I had 325, you put about in, 3 and a quarter, you put about 3 and a quarter with you. Hit 325, 25, half, I'm going to 350. I had 3 and a quarter, put about 350, quarter over to 350, put about in. I had 3 and a quarter, 350, 3 and a quarter over to 350, put about, hit. So $325. And the buyer numbers 164. That chutes go with that hammer mill, I believe. All the shoots in the hammer mill, you buying it all. 20 bucks. Huh? What's the matter? I'd have bet $10 on it. And about 5, some half, 10. How many 10? How many 10? Go 50. Now $15, $15, $15. 12 hours, we open about 50 to buy them. Now 17 and a half, even up 20. At 20, we get 10, 25, 25, 25, 22, 25, he put them all in. Hit 22.50, 25, he put them in 25, 25, us. 22, 25, 25, hit. So 22 and a half, 44. Here's a 3-point cultivator. Three-point cultivator. I'll tell you how much you want to do $100 bill. 50. I 25, 25, you put 25, you put 25, 25. Oh boy. That would have been 10, 12, 50, 15. I know $15, 17 and a half. You would have been 20. Not too, I would have been 5. 25 would have been 25 to mine. 25 some half. 20 some I would have been with you. Yeah, $25 some half. And some I would have been 20 some I would have been. Is that where you at?
More.
Okay, $25 some half. Some I would have been 30. I had 30, but you get 30. Now 250. No, guys. Don't be tangling me up. I got 27 and a half, 30 bucks, 250, and 5. I had 35, now 35, some half, some up and 40. Hey, 40 when you get 5, how many now 45, 50. I had 50 when you get 45, when you get 50, up in the ball game, 45 never. You put about 50 bucks up in the bottom, $50, you put about 50. Now 50. Now 50. 47 up in the never. You put about 50 bucks up in the bottom, now 50, you put about dive. Now 2 and a half. 52.50.
Yes.
And now 5. And 7 and a half. $55 some half. You put in some up in the bottom, sold it. $55. 156. Got a bush hog. And about there, Bob and boy, $25 here, $25 $10, $12.50. I had table to get 12 up and about 15. Now 17 and a half, even is now 20.
Yeah.
And 250. 22 and a half and 5. I had 25 down, 7 and a half. I had $25 even about some up and about 25, even about some up and about and dive. So 25 bucks. 140. Now we got a scraper blade. And now guys, we got some more equipment to sell around, don't we? Around that way. Yeah. Feed grinder and stuff's that way. We'll get that here as we finish up here. Got a scraper blade, $10 on it. I had $12.50. I had 10 when you get 12 out, but about 15, but about 15, but about 15, but about something half, 20, 2 and a half, 2 and a half, but about 22.50. And now 5.
Yeah.
And now 7 half, 20, some out, but about 5, but get some out, but about, yeah. Yeah, 20 some half, but about 5, but get some out, but about some out, but about midnight. So 25 bucks.
140.
140. Got a set of dual. I think they come off that Gleaner, I'm not sure.
He got the elevator and the
Find a set of dual. Okay, I'm gonna go $100 bill. 100. Hey, you bought the combine.
Yeah.
Oh wow, 20.
Yep.
10, 20, 30. I had 20, but he got 5. I had 25, he had 25, he put them all in. 25, he 25, but he put them in 25, 25 to 30. I had 25, but he got 30, but he got 30, but he got 25, 30, put them all in. 30. I had 25, now 35. 35, but 35, 40. I had 40, but he got 40, but he got 35, but he got 40, put them all in. 35, but he got 40. I had 35, but he got 40 never. You put them about 35, but he got 40 in, and 40, put them about 40 bucks, about 45. I had 45, now 50. I have 50 with you, 45 never. You put them about 50 bucks, about 45 never. You put them about 45, 50.
No.
So, $45, 156.
156.
Got a grain drill inside there, guys. You just can't see it. You're responsible to get it out. I had 25, even with $10 winner. 10 bucks. Van Brunt, $10.
There's a plow and everything.
You're buying everything in there. 10, 12, 15, 15. 22 and a half would have been 5. 732 and a half would have been 5. 42 and a half would have been 5. 52 and a half would have been 5. 50, 62 and a half would have been 5. 65 would have been 72 and a half would have been 5. I had 75, 82 and a half would have been 5. 85. 82 and a half would have been 85, 85, 85 would have been died. So 82.50. 158. Can you get a number on that, Tim? 158. That's everything. It's sold.
Plow up there.
It is a green drill. Gehl feed grinder. Look out, Brian. Gehl, G-E-H-L.
John, I got it up loose. I just didn't have enough room to get it out, guys. So if somebody's got a bigger tractor or something, get it out.
Buy a Gehl feed grinder. $100 bill. $100. Yeah, and a quarter. At 125 even about 25 even 25 even 125 even 110 20 at 130 at 120 but 30 but 30 but 130 at 30 even 120 but 30 at 125 25 but 25 even 25 but 25 and 30 at 135 35 but 135 and 35 but 135 even 35 but 25 and 40 at 145 and 50 at 160 at 170 and now 80 at 170, what do you get all in? 80, not 90, what do you 90, not 2, at 200, not 210, not 20, at 210, what do you get 20, 20, what do you get 210, what do you get 20? I'm over here, boys. At 210, what do you get 20? At 210, what do you get 20, 20, what do you get 210, what do you get 20, 20, what do you get a half? Sold it, $210. 119.
John, got no picker sitting right behind it.
Okay, we got an old picker right behind it. What's the shame this stuff was out there like that?
Well,
I know. Got a picker, boys. $100 bill. $100 bill. $50 on him. 25 to get 30. I 25 to get 30, to get 30, to get 25, 30, about 25 to get 30. I 25, 30. How much 25 here? 30, 30, 30, 30, 25 to get 30, put them all in. 25 to get 30, put them all in. Die. So, $25. Wire 152. And Brunt John Deere by itself. Now you're buying the grain drill by itself. 25. 25. 25. 25.
10.
15. All right, 10, when you get 12 hours, 10, 12, 50, 10, 12, 50, about midnight. Sold it, $10.
152.
152.
Well, we'll get out of there.
okay, John.
Yep.
So, I got a disc. What the hell's on the other side? Sell this disc. Sell a disc.
Okay, you got it. Is that all there?
Full type disc.
Full type disc. $10.
I'll take you one of that.
$10. Full type. $10.
$5, come on.
$7.50. Now 10.
Yeah.
$12.50. I but 10, 12, 50,
Down below.
so $10, 44.
Oh. Don, you're gonna buy it from here to the back of this lean right here, under the lean. From here
You're buying
under
the stuff under that lean-to that's falling in,
and this old.
and this scrap pile right here. So it's all yours, no question. Here we go. All day, $25 off. Yeah, 25, 25, 5, 10. How about 10? How about 10? Some about 10. I 10 to buy it. When you get it 10, $12.50 and $15. I 12 hours of it, 12 hours of 15 with ya. $15. I 12 hours of it, 15 $12 hours of $15. So 12 and a half. 44.
Hey, that's drilled in. Whoops, sorry. That's drilled in the tree.
John Deere chisel plow.
Get it out.
You're gonna have to take a shank off to get that plow out of there.
You have it.
Back here.
Got about 35 on them. I 35 and you put about 35, 35, 35, you put about $25. 10, 15, 20. $20 where? 15, something and a half. You put about 20. That's $2.50. 22 and a half. 22 and a half.
Yeah.
And a 5, some and a half. And now 30. 42 and a half. And 5. And some and a half. I'm going to about 47 out of 50. $50. You want me 50? I am 47 out of 50. You say it? Now 250. At 52 and a half, I'm at 250 for the bun, 52, I'm for the bun, so $50.
152.
152.